Hi guys, welcome. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and happy new year. It's 2018 and this is my first vlog of the year. So I decided to start off by jumping onto the bandwagon and doing a challenge that I think everybody else has done already. And the challenge is called 5 questions, 1 take, which was created by Lisa, if I'm correct, from And So On. And basically the challenge is that we have to answer 5 questions in 1 take, and there's no editing or anything like that. So I have my husband / camera person / photographer / everything going to be the interviewer, and he's going to ask me the questions. Okay, are you ready, babe?
Sure.
Okay.
If you were given a paid sabbatical to spend a year living anywhere in the world, where would it be and why?
Right, great question, Lisa. If I could go anywhere, it would be Egypt, because I love the culture, the history. They've got the pyramids and they've got all this history that goes beyond antiquities. So I think I'd love to just spend an extended period of time being able to go around all the different places, visiting all of the different museums and all of the different places of historical interest. And I have these romantic ideas about the River Nile. And yeah, so Egypt is the place that I would love to go to. Next question.
Okay. Who was your favourite teacher growing up, and how did they influence you?
Okay. Favorite teacher. I can't. Do you know, I was one of those really weird kids in high school that just really loved learning for the sake of learning. So, if I found out that we were going to be covering a particular topic, I'd just go off to the library and read up as much as I could about that topic, so that by the time I got to class, I would always be like the one that was saying, ooh, ooh, I know what that is. So it's hard for me to think of any one specific teacher that I could say was my favorite. Oh, I'm terrible at this. Can I pass? Yeah, can I pass on your question? Because I just don't know. I don't know. I know it's a cop-out, but I can't think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Name 3 things besides sewing that you're good at.
Oh, ooh. Just 3. I am good at gardening. Very good at gardening. I love gardening. We have an allotment and we grow quite a lot of our own vegetables, and we have an orchard and we grow a lot of our own fruit as well. So yes, I'm very, very good at gardening, even if I do say so myself. I am also very good at baking. My father was a baker by trade, and he taught us how to bake, so I've always known how to make fruit cakes and sponge cakes, from as long as I can remember, and that's something that I love to do with the kids. So I'm very good at baking. What else could you say I'm good at?
Kids.
Well, I do have 5 kids, but to count as being good at something. I'm also very organized. I'm very good at being organized. Yes, very good at gardening, baking, and being organized.
Do you cook? What meal / recipe are you most known for? If you don't cook, what meal recipe do you most like to have made for you?
I do. I cook. I like to think that I'm quite a good cook, and my best recipe that I am most well known for is, I make a really good oxtail stew, like really, really great oxtail stew. And I also make really fantastic fried rice to go with the oxtail stew, and cornbread. that's sort of like my specialty. Oh, hang on. I'm also quite good at macaroni and cheese as well. Yeah, because my kids love mac and cheese, and it's like the only thing that they will eat for breakfast, lunch, and supper. So, yeah. Mac and cheese, cornbread, fried rice, and oxtail stew. Oxtail stew.
One sewing question. What is your favorite pattern ever and why?
I can't pick just one favorite sewing pattern. I can't pick just one.
Give it a go.
Give it a go. Okay. I can't. That's like asking me to pick which one is my favorite child. I can't. I love them all equally. You know. I like the M6886 McCalls, which I'm wearing right now in a wool ponte. I've got several of them. If I had to pick a favorite based on which pattern I've made the most of, then it would have to be the Hollybone skirt, because I've made 7 of those now. So I guess, logically, technically speaking, the Hollybone skirt counts as my favorite, but I want all patterns to know that I still love them just as much, and that the Hollybone isn't just my favorite. Okay, I'm sounding crazy now. Move on. Is that it?
That's it, yeah. That's
Okay.
5 questions.
Alright, so that's it. I am not allowed to edit this video at all, so there is no editing. This is one take. I hope that you have enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed making it, and I hope my husband has enjoyed being the cameraman behind it. Okay, so yeah, so I'm really excited for 2018. Very quickly, I've got so many plans and so many videos that I want to make for 2018. The next video that's going to be coming up is going to be about the Birder Challenge 2018, which again is super exciting. Okay, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't done this challenge already, then I tag you to do it, because it is so much fun and incredibly challenging to keep on waffling in one take without the power of editing. So yeah, okay. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.